Hello students, as you all know that we are going through a difficult time due to corona. We are not able to teach you in the classroom, but let's try to have a classroom at home. So today we are trying to do formal letter writing. I will teach you how to write a formal letter, and for this the most important thing is to go through the statement. I will not teach you the whole letter in one day. I will teach you some content of the letter, and by the end of one or two videos you will be able to write the letter perfectly. You will not have to cram it. You will just see the statement and what is being asked, and you will be able to write the letter yourself. Just believe in that. Okay, so we are starting with one formal letter today. The statement is now, listen to me carefully. The statement is, you are Himalaya. So everyone listening to this video who is learning to write this letter is now Himalaya. Okay, your name is Himalaya now, and you are asked to write a letter to the Deputy Commissioner of your district making out a case for the opening of a dispensary in your area. You are to request the Deputy Commissioner of your district to make him open a dispensary in your area. For this, you have to write an effective letter to him, and for this, first of all, for any letter to be written, first of all, this is the thing that who is sending the letter, not the name but the address of the sender. We will follow a left hand format. Okay, and for left hand format you need to start thing from left hand, exactly from the left hand. We will write the whole letter in left hand format, and here first of all the address is not given in the statement. Sometimes address is given, or mostly you can say that address is given mostly, but now here as address is not given, we can take any address, but write Himalaya name in the end of that letter. Okay, so first of all I'm taking one address. You can take any, say this is when we use hashtag here. Hashtag is not Insta hashtag here, it is a house number. Okay, and take any name of, this is your house number, and this is your colony's name, and then your city, say you are belonging to Ludhiana, and take care of the thing that I am not using commas or full stop here. The big mistake we do these days is that we use commas or full stop in the left hand format, but we are not supposed to do that. Okay, now this I have written from left hand, started from left hand, this two in the same line in the left hand, and then this is now the time to write date. But for writing the date you need to leave one line empty here. I'm not using the ruled page, but say we are giving a space here, and now I'm going to write the date. Like today is 17th of May, so I will be writing May 17, 2020, and I have written this with one space here, and then I will give one space here, and now I will write the address to whom I am writing the letter. Now the address is given in the statement itself. You don't need to remember to learn the spellings of these things, to whom you are writing the letter. It is written here. So write the Deputy Commissioner and as you are living in Ludhiana, so the Deputy Commissioner will be of Ludhiana. Okay, and again there is no comma, no full stop. Then we will leave a space here, and now I'm going to write the subject of the letter. It is must to write that what you are writing for, the subject of the letter. And what is our subject? This is our subject. Everything is given here. So you can write it simply like this. right? Now again, because we are going to write something different from the previous one, we are giving a space here. Deputy Commissioner, we are supposing that he is a male, so we are writing sir here, and please note down that I am writing everything starting from the left hand. Okay, now again a space here, and here we will write the body, the content of the letter, but today I am not going to teach you that. I am just telling you how to write a letter. So I am now going to write subscription only, and this is when you are writing the letter to it is a formal letter, you are writing the letter formally. So here you come with yours faithfully without any comma, and what we need to take care is Y is capital but F is small. Always take care of this thing. This is in 2 words subscription, so you are writing yours. If it would have been 3 words, you would be writing only your, not yours. So it is yours here. And who are you? Who is writing the letter? You are Himalaya. So yours faithfully, Himalaya, without any comma and without any full stop. So take care of these things. What I have written here, just go through that, and thank you so much.